Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make gravy momos at home. First, we'll prepare a soft, pliable dough using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, we'll craft a delicious filling, whether it's minced chicken or a vibrant vegetable mix, seasoned perfectly. Then we'll steam these delightful parcels until they are tender and juicy. Finally, we'll create a rich, aromatic gravy to bring all the flavors together for a truly satisfying meal. To begin, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with enough water to form a soft, pliable dough. Knead it thoroughly for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. For the filling, take 1 cup of your chosen minced chicken or finely chopped vegetables. Season this mixture generously with 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a dash of soy sauce, and your favorite spices for a burst of flavor. Now, roll out small, thin circles from your dough, fill each with a spoonful of the prepared mixture, and carefully pleat them into traditional momo shapes. Arrange them in a steamer and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, ensuring they are perfectly tender. While they steam, begin your gravy base by sautéing 1 finely chopped onion and 2 ripe tomatoes until soft. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger-garlic paste. Next, transfer the sautéed vegetables to a blender and process until you have a smooth, rich paste. Return this paste to the pan, add 1 cup of water, and simmer gently with your preferred spices, like a pinch of garam masala and a dash of red chili powder, for about 5 minutes. Finally, carefully add the steamed momos to the simmering gravy, letting them absorb the flavors for 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.